Don't be afraid of an onion julienne. I'm going to show you a very simple way that you can julienne an onion at home so it's safe and as consistent as possible. And I want you to focus on three things: aim, anchor, push. Aim, anchor, push. Trim off the top and the bottom and the top. Put it whatever direction you want. Slice it from top to bottom or bottom to top. Then looking down at your onion, I want you to come in about 3/4 to an inch, and I want you to slice that off. Now, pull that out of the way, but on display. Now what you're going to do is just let this plop down. And the reason why is because this is now much shorter than this. And it allows you to essentially warm up with your practice. You're going to aim, anchor, push. A julienne, an 1/8 inch. I don't care if it's a little bit off. Just make it as consistent as possible. If you are a machine or you're using a mandolin, congratulations, you're a robot. You can get a perfect 1/8 inch. But when you cook these down, no one's gonna know if it's a 1/2 millimeter or anything off. So just try and be as consistent as possible. Aim, roughly an 1/8 inch, anchor, push. That's it. The push is a little bit on a downward. It's not just, it's a downward forward type of motion. So you get a little bit of a slice at the same time. Aim, anchor. So wherever that knife goes, you're solid. It's going to go down. Your fingers should be safe as long as you're not backed up here with your thumb. Push. Aim, anchor, push. That's it. Use different parts of the knife. Don't just come back here on the knife. I don't know why people think that that's a safe spot. It's not. You're better off coming closer to the tip and then using the blade to push through. Now, you're going to take the other bit of your onion. Now this is higher up, but you're a little warmed up. You've focused on your aim, anchor, push. This is where vertical alignment can be a little bit challenging, even for me, especially when I'm going slower and I'm talking on camera like this. Aim, anchor, push. Do your best. I tend to have a slight slant to how I hold my knives. I don't care. Aim, anchor, push. Aim, anchor, push. Now, an onion julienne is supposed to be that perfect 1/8 inch, but look at this. Not only do the layers of an onion vary in their thickness, they then individually vary in their thickness. And the closer you get to the center, as well as the closer you get to the edge of your cut, you're going to have pieces that are wider or taller, depending on the perspective, than that 1/8 inch. It's an imperfect ingredient, so don't expect to be perfect with it. Aim, anchor, push. And I'm pushing all of these off to the side and out of the way and cleaning off my knife each time, just so showing you to do this so that you can just feel the knife for each slice instead of having your knife just with food all over it. Certain knives minimize food release and it's a little bit easier and they'll pop off on their own, but then they could pop off and get in the way or get on your hands, your fingers, the inside of the blade. So just move it. This is practice time. Take it slow. Now, at this point, I am taller than wider. So just like the very beginning, we're going to plop this down. Except in this position, well, I would end with this tall, skinny piece. So do what we did in the beginning. The way that got plopped down, it was like this. And repeat, aim, anchor, push. See how it's building up? Just push it off. Now for this last little bit here, you could keep going, but I'm on that last layer or two. And in that case, I'm going to end up with really oddly shaped pieces. And if you really want to focus on that, just minimize. So now we're right back to the beginning. And by putting the onion on its side like this is essentially doing what folks do when they come in with that horizontal cut. For an onion julienne, you don't really do that, but for a small dice you do, but think of it that in this regard. Now, this right here, it's taller than wider. It's not super secure. What are you going to do? Simple. You're just going to come in, aim, anchor, and look at that. just push through. If you're worried about your phalanges over here, you can do these things to minimize accidents from happening. And there you have it. Go slow. Aim, anchor, push. Take your time. Be in the moment with your onion. Be in the moment with your onion, Julienne. Let me know if this helps. Take care.